You experience here a kind of universe where we explore and train in the new. So let's see how we want to relate to each other and create this new world together to live sustainable and regenerative on this planet.
We can only tackle like these very complex problems like climate crisis and environmental crisis only by going back into the communities and getting together, like from the bottom to the top.
People not only need to understand where we're at with the climate and our planet, but also connect to it with their body and their emotions, and the solution can only come about in the communities.
This is also a place like Celebrate the Planet, spaces like these, where we can drop more into the body and have a more complete awareness and consciousness.
Since last year, the event was such an amazing experience, and Celebrate the Planet is something for the whole family by the end, and to find our place in a new society, to live in harmony with the planet and to try it out, to experiment what the new living is like, and to train ourselves to be human, really human again.